Hi, my name is Morgan Meredith, and I'm going to be talking to you about the IEP process. Parent and student involvement is wanted in the IEP process. It is a great opportunity for parents to express concerns or issues that they have with their students' education. It is also a great opportunity for parents and students to have their input to make sure that that student's needs are being met in the classroom and at school. There will have to be a referral completed. This can be done by a teacher or by a parent. Most of the time, referrals are done by teachers. When a referral is made by a teacher, then that referral needs to be communicated with immediately to the parents. Communication is a key aspect in this process. After this, you will then see an evaluation. The evaluation will be completed by qualified personnel that will determine if the student is eligible for special education services. Throughout this, you will see an eligibility process. With this, it is ways to see if that student is eligible for services. They will look at testing results along with parent and teacher recommendations. The IEP team will also look at physical ability, learning disabilities, and behavior. All of these things will be considered when looking to see if a student is eligible for services. The IEP team makes an IEP, and the components of that IEP consist of special services needed, goals, objectives, and benchmarks. These are things that students should be able to achieve or ways to monitor their progress. Expectations for an IEP. Any changes in IEP or services should be discussed and communicated with before any official changes are made. This is important to make sure that parents are involved in any changes and the process of the IEP. Behaviors in classroom that need parent involvement also need to be communicated in a timely manner. Any changes need to be discussed with parents along with student growth. It is important to include student growth so that parents know that the services being provided are helping their child and bettering their education. There is also professionalism and ethical standards that need to be upheld by teachers when on an IEP team or in the classroom in general when providing services to a student. When talking to parents, professionalism needs to be upheld. While we may not agree with everything being said, or things may get heated with the parents' involvement, we need to make sure that we stay professional. With that, making sure that parents are well communicated with and making sure that we help them to the best of our ability so that they can understand the changes being made and the support that is offered to them is something that is very important. It is also important to make sure from an ethical standpoint that students are being provided with the services that they need. When a student is not being provided with the correct services, we are not upholding the ethical standard that educators should hold themselves to. Thank you.